Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are discussing about Looker Studio setup. The reason why Looker Studio is so popular is because it's easy to install, it's easy to use, and it's free. So to set up Looker Studio, you just go to lookerstudiogoogle.com. When you are signed into your Google account, you press create on a report and then you'll be met with this screen here. So this is the only setup option you have to do. It just wants basic info of who's using Looker Studio. So you pick your country, you pick your company and you can't change this. Later on, you just press a tick in here and then you press continue. You'll get a very small form to fill out. Where do you want updates? Do you want recommendations? Do you want to participate in market research? I actually do want to get product announcements, so I'll click yes to that. Press continue. And now this is bringing me into my first report. And I'm pretty much ready to go to add data. So it's that easy to set up. This was the first time I've gone into Looker Studio on this account, and it's all set up. To go back, just press the Looker Studio icon there and then we can get going. Adding a data source. And the only other setup you really need to do is when you are setting up a data source like Google Sheets. You are going to need to authorize that on your account. You just go authorize and set up on your account. But we are going to go through this in a later video. Next thing we are going to do is just go through that initial Looker Studio interface to give you a look around and show you what the options are.